Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have 60 subscribers, so thank you all. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this fruity French tip. I'm using Kastiny Polygel kit again, just using the pink and the white, for the French tip. I'm using pink for my cuticle area, and this video is going to be kind of sped up, but not too sped up. You guys can still see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to do this same exact thing on every nail. So now what we're doing is filing so that, that smile line can be super crispy. After wiping, now we're going to go ahead and put the white for the Frenchies. And I just want to still thank you guys again for getting me to 60 subscribers. I'm so appreciative for all of you. So thank you so much. I'm just going to do the same thing on every nail. So you guys just sit back, relax, and I'll be back when I'm done applying the white. that, we're gonna use our e-file. This bit that I'm using is called a tornado bit, and it works so good. I actually use this to get all of my gel off, like the polygel or anything like that off, so that I can do a new set. So this is really like my favorite nail bit. After using the e-file, I went in with my hand file 80 by 80 grit for the shaping. So if you guys have problems with shaping, I think 80 by 80 grit helped me a lot. So if you're a beginner, you don't know which file to use, I recommend 80 by 80 grit. So boom, we wiped it off, wiped all the dust off. Now I'm gonna apply base coat to stick the fruit on, and then we're gonna cure that every time. So on each nail, I'm gonna do this and then cure between each nail. So now we're just going to use the acrygel so that the fruits won't be popping out. You know, I want it to be like encapsulated. That's the word. Encapsulated. We're going to encapsulate the fruit so that it won't be looking all tacky and bumpity and lumpity. You know what I'm saying? After encapsulating, I went ahead and filed. Please don't forget to wipe off the tacky layer, because if not, it's going to be really hard to file your nail file. You're going to have to replace it. Now we're going to buff. I'm just going to speed this process up because this is like self-explanatory. So just wiping the dust off with alcohol, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply a top coat. I didn't know what color I wanted to use for my smile line, but I tried black. I didn't really like black, so I went with orange because I have a couple of oranges in there. You know, had to make the orange pop a little bit more. Then I'm going to show you guys the finished results. Even though you know how the drill goes. I already showed you in the beginning, but I'm going to show you again and again and again. You know, a couple of different angles. So boom, here we go. And then again. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you guys for 60 subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.